going to start second chapter of political culture. Political culture in political science. And we are going to read the second chapter. It is the first topic is political culture, which we are going to talk about the political culture in society. How the political culture have developed in society. What is the meaning of culture? Expectation, complete political behaviors. Like we are doing something, or we have some expectation from somebody, or we want something. It is the, or we are talking something we are brought with full with power. अगर हम किसी के बारे में कोई बात कर रहे हैं या कोई चीज कह रहे हैं, we are talking fully in power. That is called political culture. Political culture is part of the wide general culture. Part of the wide general culture, faith and emotions. Faith and emotions. That means एक विश्वास. फेथ मतलब विश्वास करना, किसी पे विश्वास करना. जो भी आज पॉलिटिकल कल्चर हो रहा है, जो भी वर्क वी आर डूइंग, व्हाटएवर इट इज, दैट इज इन फेथ एंड फुल विथ फेथ. Because if you don't have faith, you cannot do any political culture. You cannot establish in society. To establish ourselves in society, we have to make ourselves full confidence. अगर हमारे पास दृढ़ निश्चय है और कॉन्फिडेंस है, तो हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So this is the political culture, what we do in society, and what type of behavior we have in society, what type of faith we are getting from society, or what type of faith we are giving to society. These all are political culture. It is not only this. Some work what we are doing for other, that also is called political culture. Some general cultures are there, like we are doing some activity work, some other work, something or the other is going on in our society. We are giving some or the other anyhow to somebody else. हम किसी न किसी तरह से लोगों की सेवा कर रहे हैं, या लोगों के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. लोगों के साथ हम जुड़े हुए हैं. That is called political culture. Political culture is also dynamic and not static. Political culture is not that if you are doing something on the work, you are doing for a person, for a people. A people who are living nearby you, isn't it? So that is called political culture. The political culture, first of all, we have to learn this, that political culture, what is the political culture? Political culture is the behavior that we are doing or we are getting from somebody in society. हमें सोसाइटी से क्या मिल रहा है? What we are giving to society and what the society is giving us. How much faith we have on somebody and how the others have faith on us. How we are helping some other people. Some or the other, how we do something for the people. Like see, if somebody is in very need for something, थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचो, किसी को बहुत किसी चीज की जरूरत है, then you can help only 1 day, 2 days, but there is some society has been made for the people also. some political culture, some political places are there who comes and help the people, जो उनकी मदद करते हैं, जो लोगों की मदद करते हैं. तो बेटा पॉलिटिकल कल्चर इज द वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. हमारी जिंदगी में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो पॉलिटिकल, you should read this chapter about political culture. 2.1 meaning and definition of political culture. Meaning and definition about political culture. What is the political culture? What is the meaning of political culture? What is the definition of political culture? इसका मतलब क्या है? पॉलिटिकल कल्चर का मीनिंग क्या है? डेफिनेशन क्या है? पॉलिटिकल कल्चर हैज बीन कोटेड बाय द नेम ऑफ वेरियस अप्रोचेस. पॉलिटिकल कल्चर ऐसा है कि बहुत सारे इसको अलग अलग नाम दिया गया है. इसके अलग अलग नाम है. अ डिफरेंट नेम हैज गिवन टू इट. Different name has been given to political culture, such as toward work by a mode, environment by David Stern, and political style by Spiro. These are the two people who have work for the society, work for political culture. Who? David Stern and Spiro. These are the two people who have worked for the political culture. They have gone different society, different people, different type of work. Many works are there. What they are doing, what we are doing, we also can do. But these are the main people who have started, जिन्होंने इसके लिए काम किया था, पॉलिटिकल कल्चर के लिए काम किया था. पॉलिटिकल कल्चर हैज बीन प्रोपाउंडेड फर्स्ट बाय अमन एंड पोवेल in the form of concept in reference to developing countries. That means ये political culture is the thing that how can country can be developed. देश को कैसे उन्नति दिया जाए, देश में कैसे उन्नति लाया जाए, देश में कैसे प्रोग्रेस लाया जाए. हाउ कैन वी ब्रिंग द प्रोग्रेस इन आवर कंट्री? What are the changes we can bring? We can bring many changes. You know that we can bring by doing some different work, by doing something for the people, making hospitals, making schools, making good health care center, making lots of things. We can make a center for the people who are very needy. All these are political culture. I will just give you one example. Think Mother Teresa. She was a very good lady and she, you know that she used to help people. ना उन्होंने लोगों की बहुत मदद की है. She have helped people. How? Because she was not getting anything for that. She didn't have any bungalow, she didn't have any servants, nothing. But she wanted to do something for the people. वो कुछ करना चाहती थी. मदर टेरेसा कुछ करना चाहती थी लोगों के लिए. कौन से लोगों के लिए? जो बेसहारा थे, जिनके पास घर नहीं था, बच्चों के पास घर नहीं था. When they used to born, their mother and father left them on the street. So she had taken the children. She had adopted the children. She had adopted all the old people, sick people, and she was taking full care of them. वो उनकी सेवा करती थी. ये मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दी हूँ आपको. She was taking full care of them. That was called the political culture. It was coming in political culture. To doing something for somebody. This is the big thing. Because she has left everything and she was working for the poor. You know Sister Nivedita? सिस्टर निवेदिता कौन थी? सिस्टर निवेदिता इनके क्या कहते हैं, विवेकानंद जी की. शी वॉज वर्किंग विथ विवेकानंद, स्वामी विवेकानंद. And she was from England. When the Vivekanand came to India after completing his education, he came back to India. She has come to India with him. And do you know how Sister Nivedita had worked here? By teaching the girls. आपको पता है पहले लड़कियों को पढ़ाया नहीं जाता था. You know that ना? People were not interested to teach their daughters, send the girls to school. When the girls were very small, they used to get married. Most of the girls who were widow, they were 2-3 years old girls, and suddenly they become widow. Think what a tough life they had that time. They had a very terrible life. They did not know how to play. They didn't go out even. बाहर भी नहीं गई वो. लेकिन सिस्टर निवेदिता had started a school for all the girls. And also she said, which women are doing work, जो स्कूल नहीं आ सकती हैं, उनके लिए for them she have started the night school. सिस्टर निवेदिता ने उनके लिए नाइट स्कूल स्टार्ट किया था. दिस वॉज द बिग थिंग एंड दिस इज द पॉलिटिकल कल्चर. सो टुमारो अगेन वी विल मीट. Till then, thank you.